Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to look at some pictures from October of 1994 shot in Greenville, Mississippi at the American General Aircraft Corporation auction. There's Neil Rice, Roscoe, Ken Blackman. In the yellow shirt is John Maestri, and in plaid, David Fletcher, all there to buy parts from AGAC along with other folks. Again, this is October of 1994 AGAC auction in Greenville, Mississippi. Now, John Maestri went there and he bought a fuselage and a bunch of other parts. Ken Blackman bought a bunch. John and I actually stayed an extra day in Greenville. David Fletcher paid for our hotel that night and took us out to dinner because we stayed to help him pack up all the stuff that he had bought along with Garner to pack it up and put it in trucks and get it started on its way home to Houston. And there's John with the fuselage that would become 4525 Whiskey, I believe is the end number it was assigned. And in some of the sheds around there, you could find trash and garbage and discarded parts. There are some scrap windshields and a fuselage amidst the rubble and thing. And then from what we bought at the auction, here gives you an idea what a 4-seat Grumman can carry. Look what all came out of my Traveler, and here'll be another view of it as it sits on the driveway up in Brooklyn, Mississippi. So folks, we hope you found these pictures from the HEAC auction useful and helpful. Thanks for watching.